Hello everyone and welcome to this video. So I'm very excited to share with you the new project that I am working on, that is making an autonomous drone. I know most of you will be surprised because usually this is not the type of content I post, but I just thought it would be nice to share with you guys. So this drone parallel here from this end to this end is 450 millimeters. I'm using a Pixhawk flight controller. I'm also using a Raspberry Pi 4B, of course. Also, I'm having a vibration dampener under it, so that there won't be any vibration when it's flying. And that's my distribution board. And this, of course, will connect to the battery. But I will need to change this connector because the connector that is connected at the moment is an XT60 female, while I need a male here. So these are my motors as well. I have my electronic speed controllers also connected. So as of now, I just did the assembly. So later I'll be sharing my progress. So of course it is easy to put this together, but the hard part, of course, is coding this to do what you want. At the end of the day, what we want to achieve is not just to have a drone that you can fly with your controller, but to have a drone that you can send on missions without even needing to control the drone with your controller, that is your transmitter. That meaning I will be using this Raspberry Pi, write my codes, send it through this Raspberry Pi to the flight controller, and then I can tell my drone to go to a particular location or do whatever commands I send to it. This I'll be using this I'll be doing rather using SSH, so that I can access the drone from anywhere. Yeah, so things like drone delivery, and so on. There are many things that we can do with this. It just depends on what I want it to do or whatever my code says. So I'll be sharing my progress with you. Stay tuned. Thank you all.